In this tutorial, we'll walk you through creating a mega menu with collections for your bestsellers. Here is a preview of the result we are going to achieve. Follow along to make it happen. First, open your Shopify theme editor. Navigate to the header section and add the Mega Menu with Options section. Now, click on the Mega Menu section. Select the With Collection layout to structure your menu visually. Then, assign the menu location by choosing Item 3 in the Menu Assignment Location settings. This ensures the Mega Menu appears under the correct menu item. Next, let's clean up the default setup. Delete all the default link lists since we won't be using them for this mega menu. Instead, add 5 collection items to showcase different product categories. It's time to edit the mega menu content. First, update the text block by inserting a heading and subheading to introduce the menu's purpose. Now, assign a collection to each collection item. For example, if you're showcasing bestseller categories, select the top performing collections that will appeal to your customers. Finally, enhance the menu's design by editing the introducing block. Here, add an eye-catching image with text. Insert a heading and subheading, choose a compelling image, and add a button with text that links customers to your featured collection or promotion. Then that's it. You've successfully built a mega menu with collections to improve navigation and highlight your best products. If you have any questions, our support team is ready to help.